Today we're going to be teaching you how to make paleo lemon cupcakes with strawberry frosting.
Howdy, and welcome to the Bar SC Ranch, where you will experience our journey of running a family business, caring for animals, and doing life together. Subscribe now and be inspired here at the Bar SC.
Hi, I'm Kylie.
And I'm Maddie. And today we're going to be making lemon cupcakes with a strawberry frosting. A lot of our family members have allergies, so we can't just go out and buy desserts. So Kylie and I have a lot of fun baking desserts that everybody can enjoy. So we specifically follow paleo recipes, which is gluten-free, dairy-free. And we made Grace a really cool birthday cake last year. We had so much fun. So this year we're going to be experimenting with cupcakes.
So these are all of our ingredients here. We've got some arrowroot powder and coconut flakes. This is something we're experimenting with. The recipe did not call for coconut flakes, but we thought it would be cool to throw in some coconut flakes in our lemon cupcakes. And then we've got coconut flour and eggs. And then we've got vanilla extract and coconut sugar, baking powder, maple syrup, salt, and lemons, of course. And then over here we have the cashews, strawberries, and then the lemons are all going to be for the frosting. I added in the coconut flakes, the arrowroot powder, and the coconut flour.
So we poured our eggs into a separate medium-sized bowl. Then we're going to do maple syrup, vanilla extract, and then lemon zest. So we have our dry ingredients in a large bowl, and then in our medium bowl, we're going to do our wet ingredients, which includes eggs, maple syrup, lemon zest, and vanilla extract. So now that we have our eggs, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and lemon zest in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to mix it until it's frothy. When you live this far out in the country, sometimes you don't have all of the ingredients you need. So the recipe calls for palm shortening, but instead we're going to use coconut oil. For the frosting, we're going to be using fresh strawberries, some cashews, some almond milk, and some lemon juice. So we have our batter here in the bowl. The frosting is chilling in the fridge. We're going to go ahead and pour it into the muffin tins and then bake for 20 minutes. So here are the finished cupcakes. We finished baking the dough, the frosting, we spread it on top, and now we're really looking forward to enjoying them. We hope you make this with your family and you enjoy them as well. We'll see you next time. Bye!
If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe and leave us a comment about what you might like to see in future episodes. We'll see you back on the ranch.